So my cousin just dropped us off at the airport. We had to wake up at 4 o'clock to get here.
Yeah, it was a
sun.
Really big.
We beat the sun.
Oh wait, can you see? No.
You guys know what the sunrise looks like.
Yeah, it's like 6:30 in the morning, and we are about to embark on our new life in Mexico. So
Everyone was asking us this past week that we spent in Kansas if we were ready, if this felt real. We were planning this for so long that I think everyone else was more excited than us. We were just more anxious to actually get going.
yeah, now it just kind of seems surreal. Like, I can't believe this is finally happening. Like, this is the day we've been waiting for over a year, and
Oh yeah.
there's so many emotions. How are you feeling?
Feeling good. It's a year in the making, so I'm just ready to get there and start.
I am too.
I slept easy last night.
I didn't. I had trouble falling asleep, and then I woke up at like 3 a.m. and had like so many thoughts rolling through my mind, and then I was like, oh, I'll try to get back to sleep, and it was already 4 a.m. when I had to get up, so I'm
That
gonna
is
do
rough.
Nap later? Nap
That
later?
is rough. The only time I woke up, I had a Pennywise nightmare,
Oh, that's the worst kind of nightmare.
but I easily got back to sleep. So that's
good.
what's on my mind. I'm more thinking about killer clowns than our new life.
Hopefully we don't find any killer clowns in
That's
Mexico.
true. That's way scarier than anything.
I agree.
Any cartel member.
No, yeah. Unless the cartel member is,
A Pennywise. Oh my God.
yeah, I don't know. Anything's possible. But yeah, so we take off at 8 a.m. and we land in Atlanta for a short layover, and then we'll be in Cancun by 2 p.m. So
Yeah, we'll have lunch on the beach.
this is it. We'll keep you posted.
We'll pull you out for lunch.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
My grandfather, my abuelo, he say, how you learn Spanish? Find a woman, speak Spanish, and put your tank by his tank. Tank by tank. It's so easy.
Good advice.
Maybe, I don't know.
Amigos, we have made it to Mexico, and we're in our first Airbnb that we're staying in for the next 2 weeks. So yesterday we got here probably around like 4 p.m. Had a little difficulty figuring out the address because we saw the wrong thing on Airbnb, and then we were trying to text our host, and of course that was a mess because we don't actually have service here. Like, you have to pay extra, so we're trying to like use the airport Wi-Fi, which is incredibly slow. So
It was a big mess. We should have booked everything beforehand, maybe a super shuttle to the address.
That too, yeah. So we didn't actually like have any transportation prepared. We were just like, oh, we'll just take a taxi when we get there. And actually we thought that Airbnb...
We planned on taking an Uber actually. But as it turns out, Uber left Cancun again momentarily because of the taxi union. So we'll see if that comes back. I hope it does.
Yeah, hopefully, because that's convenient. I do know that the taxis have their own app here as well called Easy Taxi, which I've heard is great to use. It's similar to Uber, but yeah, we'll just have to play by ear on that and hopefully get some actual like service from a Mexican provider. So
yeah, that's our only plans today, is go enjoy the beach and then go get a SIM card.
Yeah. So big stuff on our first day. So yeah, we thought we'd maybe show you guys around our first Airbnb. It's just a little studio, 1 bedroom. Is it considered a bedroom? The walls don't go all the way up to the
one
ceiling,
room with 2 partitions.
Yeah, that's a good explanation of that. So we'll show you around real quick. Okay, so here you can see we were in the bedroom, but here's the front door, so we can kind of start in here. But we have a little kitchenette, and we already used it last night to cook, but we cleaned up for y'all. So it comes with this little like hot plate pan thing, which worked out well. We made some rice and beans in it and had some tacos. We went grocery shopping. So it comes with a blender, some plates and stuff, coffee maker, which is awesome, and microwave. And we got some beach towels today, so.
It feels very college dorm-like in here.
It kind of does, but I'm okay with that. And then we got a couple stools to eat at. Here's our little lounge area, which I don't know if we'll really ever use because there's not a TV in this room, but
there's also not an air conditioner in this room. The air conditioner is just one, and it's right there.
Yeah,
and the partition does an amazing job of keeping the air out of this room.
It does. So this is the cold room, or the cooler room. So we have a nice king-size bed. It was really comfortable, actually.
We hastily made it for you to impress you guys.
Yeah, look at that. Look at those bed-making skills. And then this side, they have a smart TV, so we can watch our Netflix on there and stuff. That's my laptop with our really fancy, somewhat camera stand. There we go. I was gonna say tripod, but I'm like, that's not a tripod. Then a little armoire, and we've already kind of moved in here, like put our clothes in there and put our clothes in the drawers. So, because we'll be here for 2 weeks, we might as well not live out of the suitcase. And then here, I know I'm spinning around a lot, but here is the bathroom. So you see, it doesn't like go all the way to the ceiling, those walls, but it works out. And we got a cute little sink area. I've already moved in all of my makeup and toiletries. Nice big windows in here. And we've got toilet and shower, and I'm actually really loving the shower. The water pressure isn't great, but I love how big it is. It kind of reminds me of our old home shower.
Oh, and it's a straight walk-in.
Yeah, nice. Straight walk-in shower, and then nice ledge for all of our toiletries. We already hung up the towel in front of it, but
if you want to see our view, not a lot to look at. It's
not a lot. So we're on the top floor, so we're looking down at other roofs, which aren't, you know, super pretty because no one else can see them except us.
We're just in a small residential area, so we're the tallest building at the 3rd story.
Yeah.
But we can see over there some condos that are
I think those actually look like new condos, right? Like they look like they're still being built, maybe?
Maybe.
Because I can see through them, but maybe that's just like a breezeway. I'm not for sure. And then we have a little convenience store right by, so that's nice. And then there's another building right here getting built, so a lot of new stuff happening in this area. And then we have, a little green space right here? I don't know. I think there's a little park there. We walked by it last night. Oh, we'll have to check that out. So, yeah,
very important, right next to that convenience store to the left. That's where the colectivos can pick us up and take us to the beach and wherever else we need to go for just a few pesos.
Yeah, it's like 10 pesos each, which is what, like 50 cents. Alright, so
that's our humble abode.
Yeah, that concludes our, I guess, first almost 20-ish hours in Mexico. So,
not a lot happened. We were very tired, so mostly sleep happened.
Yeah, we went to bed at like 9 p.m. last night since it was a long travel day.
And woke up at 9 a.m.
Yeah, it was a much needed 12 hours of sleep. So anyway, we'll keep you guys posted with our adventures here. So make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. I guess we don't need to say bye then, because we'll cut to the next clip. wait.
Maybe we can go use that fancy camera stand we have.
Oh yeah, let's use our fancy camera stand.